Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on the timer on the Nikon D3400. So if I turn the camera on, and then I extend the lens, if we want to turn on the timer, what we need to do is we need to press this button here near the rubbish bin. So this one here that looks like multiple sheets of paper. So if we press on that, that will then bring up the release mode menu, and we can then come across to the 10-second timer. So then we'll press OK on that, and now when we press the shutter, it will now start a 10-second timer with the front light flashing. So once the 10 seconds is up, it will then take the picture. And there we go. That's how we get a 10-second timer. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.